College of Micronesia, FSM, Business Office. Location, second floor Administration Building, National Campus. Telephone number 320-2480, extension 107, 111, 113, and 114. Services at Business Office, Students' Records, Tuition and Fees, Payments and Financial Assistance or PELL, Refunds. PELL or Payments and Financial Assistance, Refund, and Work-Study Checks, Processing and Issuance of Checks. Auxiliary Services, Dining Hall, Meal Cards and Tickets. Bookstore, Textbooks and Supplies. Tuition and Fees. Registration fee $15 upon registration. Tuition fee $135 per credit. 12 credits, $1,620. Health fee $15. Student activity fee $20. Technology fee $100. Facility fee, regular semester $200 full-time, $70 part-time. Summer $50 full-time, $25 part-time. Other charges, residence hall $367.50 regular semester, $175 summer. Meals $1,764, 3 meals for regular semester, $420 lunch only for regular semester. $840, 3 meals for summer semester, and $200 lunch for summer semester. Bus fee, regular and summer semester, $40. Lab fee, regular and summer semester, $25. Other fees, duplicate ID, $5, graduation fee degree, third year certificate, $36.50, graduation fee, certificate of achievement, $10, admission fee, $10, transcript request fee, $4. First request is free, second request and each subsequent request is $4. No sufficient fund, check fee, $15. Duplicate meal card, $2.50. Dining hall, cost of meal, breakfast $4, lunch $4, dinner $4. Schedule, breakfast 6:45 a.m. to 8 o'clock a.m. Lunch 11 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. Dinner 5 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Bookstore, what can a student charge? Textbooks, dictionary, scientific calculator, flash drives, other school supplies, t-shirts, and other apparel. Prepaid account, maximum of $200. You can use your prepaid account to get soda, bowl ramen, lunch tickets, and etc. You can start using it after we close for textbook charges. What you need in order for you to charge books or school supplies. Authorization to charge form from Financial Aid Office. Course syllables from your instructor. ID card. Other things to know. All outstanding balance or promissory notes needs to be cleared before registration for the next semester. All your files are kept confidential, only with a written authorization from you that we can allow your parents, spouse, and a legal guardian to view your account with us. You can also visit the SIS to see your charges. Other things to know. COM-FSM website is www.comfsm.fm. Business office www.comfsm.fm/BUS OFFICE. Thank you. Any questions?